and welcome to a medical product feature on the Ethicon Gen11 Generator with adaptive tissue technology. The Gen11 Generator powers the complete line of Harmonic and Enseal X1 devices. It features an intuitive high-resolution touchscreen display for fast and easy setup and operation with on-screen diagnostics. For ease of use, the universal connector is magnetized and teardrop shaped to ensure proper alignment and automatic instrumentation recognition. The design is compact to take up less of your valuable OR space and to make transportation easy. It can upgrade the software as needed to support future Ethicon devices, which prolongs the life of the Gen11. The Ethicon Gen11 Generator also offers adaptive tissue technology, which uses an advanced algorithm to respond with optimal amount of energy. It continuously senses changes in tissue and device conditions and was designed to enable greater surgical precision, efficiency, and performance. Other benefits of the advanced technology are reduced thermal damage, with thermal management features for minimal lateral spread and strong and secure sealing of vessels up to 7 mm. This kit includes the Ethicon Harmonic Gen11 Endosurgery Generator, the Ethicon Harmonic Handpiece, and the Ethicon Harmonic Gen Endosurgery Generator FSW11 Footswitch. To learn more about this product or to purchase, please contact us or visit our website at aamedicalstore.com. If you enjoy this type of content, follow us for more. Thank you for watching.